Hi gorgeous! We are going to show you how to using the Olaplex treatment alongside hair color service today. Olaplex number 1, Bone Multiplier, and number 2, Bone Perfector are professional products to use to repair, strengthen hair during the chemical treatments or as a single treatment. Here's a step-by-step guide for both applications. Let's dilute Olaplex number 1 with the water. Mix a half ounce of Olaplex number 1 with 3 ounces of the water into the bowl and shake it really well to combine together. Use a thicker section to apply with a comb evenly, as you guys see me. Apply the mixture to dry or damp hair and saturate the hair completely, working the product from root to ends. In this case, we want to focus on the bleach section by applying 2 inches away from the root and down to the ends. Look at her smile. She looks so excited to change her hair color with Olaplex treatments. Let me briefly explain what we're gonna do with her hair today. Take a look at her hair. Her root having going about 2.5 inches. But we won't bleach her root this time. Instead, we will do color melt to blending her natural dark brown root into a beautiful charcoal smoky silver tone at the ends after the Olaplex treatments. We will leave on for 5 to 10 minutes or slightly longer, which is totally fine. Apply Olaplex number 2, Bone Perfector. After 10 minutes wait, squeeze it Olaplex number 2 into a bowl. It looks so creamy and so white and thick. And apply generous amount directly over the Olaplex number 1 mixture without rinsing it out. Use comb to distribute the products evenly throughout each section. Look at this. Leaving on for at least 10-20 minutes or slightly longer is totally fine too. Let's talk about hair color. Today we are mixing 3 different hair color brands. For the root, mix Joico 6A Light Ashy Blonde and Pervana and 6AA Dark Intense Ashy Blonde in a 1:1 ratio with a 20 volume developer. For the rest of the hair, mix Pervana Smoky Silver and Pervana 8AA Light Intense Ashy Blonde and Gaitang My Identity Demi Permanent Smoky Silver in a 1:1 ratio with a 0 volume developer. We will do color melt, so using 2 different bowls for the dark root and bleach section of the hair. Let me tell you a little bit about application tips. Apply the color for the hair ends first. Ensure you penetrate the cuticle so well. Apply the root color about 1/2 inch away from the scalp. This prevents the root from bleaching too light and turning reddish, especially since the mixture including 20 volume developer. 20 volume developer can lift black hair to slightly red tone if it's not applied carefully. Look at this, already looks good and I can see smoky silver slightly. Just wash your hair after 45 minutes. Olaplex number 6 is one of my favorite leave-in masks. Apply 1 to 3 pumps of Olaplex number 6. It depends on client's hair length, thickness, and density. I highly recommend using Olaplex number 6 for clients who have undergone chemical treatments like perm, hair coloring, or bleaching for sure. This is before Olaplex treatment and colormelt. It looks so obvious dark black root and blonde hair ends. After 3 hours with so hair with Olaplex treatment. This hair color is also low maintenance. Love this charcoal smoky silver tone. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you.